Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can run taxable sales summary report inside the QBO. So all you need is to just go to the sales report and click on sales report. It will bring you to the report screen in front of you, and here you can type your report name. Let's say our report name is taxable sales summary, and it's showing us two results. Let's say we select the sales tax summary. So here you can see that from the top we can customize our report according to our own standards. Let's say you wanna see the report from the last week. From the drop down you just select the last week and click on run report. It shows us report doesn't contain any date, so we just select on all date. Right now we don't have any data, but if you have any, if your company has data, then it will show you the same things. And from here we can filter our columns by days, week, month, quarters, year, by customer, product, services, and from this box we can customize our rows or columns by active, all, or non-active, 0. And if we want to compare this report to the another date report, we can also do that. And from here we can adjust our accounting method. From here we can customize our columns if we don't like this pattern. And if you wanna collapse your report, you just select on collapse, and if you wanna expand it again, you can just select on expand. And from here we can select the ascending and descending order, and from sort we can select the ascending and descending order of this row. And if we wanna email this report, you can also email from here. And if you wanna take a print, you can also take a print from here. Here we can export this file into Excel and in PDF. So, and from here you can see that this is our company name, this is the report name, and this is the date. And you can see that we have two main categories, design and 410. If you in here you can see that we have total, and here you can see that we have total. In this row we have total main two category, design and 410. And if you wanna see the detail of design, you just click on this, and here you can see that we actually has two main category, design and landscaping. And to see the detail of design, you just select on this arrow button, and it will show you the further subcategories of design. And if you want to create, and if you want to see the more subcategories of 410, you just select on this, and it will show you the further subcategories. And you know that and this is the total. And to see the complete date of that, you just select on here, and now you can see the complete detail of your summary. Here you can see that this is the date, this is the transaction, this is the transaction type, this is your customer, this is memo, description, quantity, sales price, amount, balance. So this is a very useful, features to see the report. So that's how you can see the sales tax report summary inside the QBO. So I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. I'll be see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.